Preparation for Railway Departmental Examination or other railway competitive examinations can be done with the help of this video. Today's question: what are the maternity leave rules? Answer: maternity leave. A female railway employee, including a trainee, who has less than 2 living children may be granted maternity leave by the authority competent to grant leave for a period of 10 days from the date of its commencement, with effect from 1.9.2008. During the period of consideration he shall be paid leave salary equal to the pay drawn immediately before proceeding on leave. RB's number A. PRA 197, Cycle 6 of 10.11.97, Bahari's 154/97 and Bahari's 158/2008 dated 23.10.2006. A female employee in whose case the period of maternity leave is 135 days, which has expired on the said date, will also be entitled for 180 days of maternity leave. RB's number A, P and A 12008 C, P, C, L, L 8 dated 23-10-2008, Bahari's 158/2008. Provided that in the case of termination of pregnancy, including abortion, the leave does not exceed 6 weeks. A, B. The application form for leave is supported by the medical certificate of the authorized medical attendant. With effect from 1/2/9/94, the total period of maternity leave on account of miscarriage has been limited to 45 days. In case of miscarriage, the number of days of maternity leave granted to a female railway employee should not be taken into account in the calculation of such maternity leave in cases where a longer period of rest is required. In the event of an emergency, maternity leave may be combined with another type of leave to cover the period of absence. Payable and admissible types of leave can be availed. RB number A, PA 194, CPC, L 6 of 12,994, 7,941 of Bahari. Notwithstanding the provision, 527, Re, the employee returning to duty on his termination in respect of the grant of leave not due and commuted leave, including commuted leave and leave not due up to 60 days, up to a maximum period of 2 years, may if applied for, in continuation of maternity leave, be granted without the production of medical certificate. EOL taken without medical certificate in continuation of maternity leave will not be counted for QS and for the purpose of pension and increment. RBE 242/01 and RBE 158/2008, dated 23.10.2008, continuing the leave given to female railway employees on production of medical certificate for illness, may be granted leave. Such leave may also be granted in case of illness of the newborn child, provided a medical certificate is produced to the effect that the condition of the sick child requires the personal attention of the mother and that her presence with the child is absolutely necessary. Maternity leave will not be debited from the leave account. Note: under the Medical Termination Act, 1971, induced abortion will also be considered a case of abortion. For the purposes of these rules, RB No. A, PA 186, CPC, L 9 of 27.1.89, 3891 of Bahari, maternity leave will also be admissible in the following cases, provided that after the birth of the child of the female railway employee, when there are less than 2 living children, in the case of a stillborn child, and B. if a female railway employee is married to a widower who has children by his former wife. RB number A, PA 198, CPC, L 4 of 5.10.99, Bahari's 259/991. A question has been raised regarding admissibility of maternity leave to unmarried female railway employee. Railway Board vide its letter No. A, P and A 186, C, P, C, L 7 dated 17.86, 119/86 of Bahari clarified that since the rules do not specifically mention the Marital Acts of 1986 and the word married is not added before the male servants, maternity leave can be granted to unmarried female railway employees. Reject the conditions stipulated in this regard. Maternity leave as admissible to railway women employees is also extended to women casual workers with temporary status as per the period of their temporary status irrespective of their length of temporary status, since as admissible to railway female employees. B's number A, PA 190, CPC, L 9 of 25.06.91, Bahari's 119/91.